Just continue to be you and let your light shine. And fuck everybody else who's uncomfortable about how brightly you shine. Hello, and thank you for clicking on my lash cleansing tutorial. Should have a little bit of water before I get started, you know, and now look at myself, because I do that. I'm definitely that person that looks at themselves on Skype, on FaceTime, or like Instagram video, and not at the other person, but you know. I'm still getting a hang of this whole vlogging situation, but I'm very excited. So as you continue to see my growth, feel free to give me feedback, comments, because you know, that's how we learn, you know. I've been getting my lash extensions done for a little bit over a year, maybe like a year and a half. It was off and on, you know, because it's not a cheap hobby, or you know, it's a luxury, let's just put it that way, okay? And I understand that, and sometimes I can't have it, so anyways, we're not gonna use that part. As you can see, my lashes, there you go. And I always have like one eye that's that will lose quicker than the other, because as much as you're not supposed to, and I know I'm not supposed to, I definitely like sleep on one side or the other, but you know, just like with my eyebrows, with my breasts, you know, they're sisters, not twins. When I first started out, I was doing all the things that you're not supposed to do. So Floy at Licorice Beauty in Brooklyn, where I get my lashes done, whenever you come in as a first-time customer, she will send you all of the information, everything that you need to know to keep your lashes looking nice. So the first thing I started to do was brushing my lashes regularly, and then not over brushing them, because that's definitely a thing. So I started brushing my lashes 1 to 2 times a day. But the thing that I did not know was not to brush my lashes when they were wet. Hold on. I knew because she sent me all of the information. It was like a buttload of text, like it's something that you will not forget. But I didn't, you know, do them. So I was brushing my lashes when I got out of the shower. Not supposed to do that. Got it. So now what I do is I'll, you know, wash my face, and obviously I'm not rubbing my eyelashes in the shower. I wash my face in the shower, and when I come out, you know, I do my moisturizer, everything like that, and by that time my lashes are dry. And I'll just brush it, you know, like not from the root, but just from like the middle to the tip. But that's another video for another day. Washing your lashes, something that you should do. I don't usually wear a lot of makeup, but when I do wear eyeshadow, good lord. My lashes get dirty when I wear eyeshadow, obviously, because look, I mean, you might have seen it when we got close before, I'm one person. It's just me doing this, guys. It's just me, but you can see the eyeshadow, right? And this is even after I washed my face and used a makeup wipe to get all the, you know, gently around, you'll see in the clip. Brush, cleanser, clean hands, clean lashes, or clean face of makeup, right? First thing you're gonna do is wet the brush. Obviously clean hands, like I said. You only do one pump. You only need one pump. The cool thing is that hers turns into foam like this. So you only need one pump for both lashes. I'm going to use this again, obviously, for the other side. And what you do, put your brush to the lashes, to the root, back and forth, gently get in there, making sure that So right, then rinse. Just rinsing with water. You guys see the difference? Yep. So I just dabbed it with my towel. I mean, dab my face, obviously. With my lashes with the towel. Go cockeyed a little. But you can see the difference between this lash, which is dirty still, and this one that's clean. So I clean my lashes every time I wear makeup, and then when I'm not wearing makeup, every other day. Unless I'm working out. When I work out and I'm sweating a lot, then I'll make sure to cleanse my lashes like that. But otherwise, I'll just wash my face and then brush them as they dry out of the shower. But yeah, if you do that, you will be able to ensure you know, longer retention of lash extensions and just overall lash health. You know, like, you don't think about it when you have your natural lashes because you can, you know, get in between there with your hands and your cleanser, but you can't do that with the lash extensions. And so it's a whole additional, you know, hygiene care that you're getting in the routine of doing to keep your lashes beautiful, beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Like, subscribe, you know.